Hey guys, how's it going? I'm just gonna show you my tennis shoes. They're pretty darn dirty. They're white, yellow. They're lighter color. So I've mixed some baking soda, some dish soap in here. It's kind of a paste. It's kind of liquidy, but see, you can see there's kind of a clump on there. So I'm going to go ahead and try to clean these. I've done this before and it turned out pretty good. So the plan is to scrub them. I'm going to wet the shoe and then I'm going to scrub that into it. And then I'm going to wash them and put them through the dryer. So that's the plan here. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse this off pretty good. And then I'll take some of the soap here. Kind of rub it in real good. I'm gonna hit like as much of the white areas as I can. I can already see it's kind of coming off a little bit. I'm not sure it's gonna do everything or get it out 100%, but try as best I can. The tip of the shoe's pretty dirty, so I'm just gonna put a lot on there and you can already see that that's much better. I mean, even if I show them up against each other, part of this is like really dirty though, right in here. So I'm gonna rinse it a couple times. Give it like one more round. All right, that's good enough for me. Now this one I'm gonna go ahead and wet it. And then just go ahead and scrub one more time. So the baking soda gives it a little bit of adhesive, or not adhesive, abrasiveness. So I might even try dumping a little bit on there, like that. Yeah, but these shoes were getting too gross for me to handle, or in my opinion, they were very dirty. So I'm cleaning them up as best I can. I knew this too when I bought them, that they might be hard to keep clean, and this is probably the second or third time I've had to clean them. The toe seems to be a hard spot to get clean. check them again. Might try a little more on this one. That's gonna be it. All right, so here's the final product after sending them through the washing machine, and they turn out pretty good. I mean, there's still a little bit of dirt on there, but compared to what it was, for the amount of effort, looks good to me.